Hard to believe. Cutting and trimming a freshly cut piece of round timber is child's play for the N4400. With a 4 HP motor, it is possible to cut through 28 cm thick solid beechwood. This means that whilst keeping waste to a minimum, you can rip planks or cut plywood, something that is not possible on a table saw. Here it is very important to use a wide and sharper blade as possible. Now nothing stands in your way of making high quality boards. The N4400 is also perfect for making curved cuts. When using a 6mm blade, you can cut radii as small as 15mm. Your plans and ideas need not be restricted by the limitations of your machine. With the optional sanding equipment for the bandsaw, the N4400 transforms itself into a sanding machine, which you can use to sand edges and small radii without any problems. Place the sanding band into the machine, mount the jig, and away you go. It has never been so easy to sand curved pieces. With a very simple jig, it is also possible to make diagonal cuts. Or wedges without any risk to yourself. Particularly impressive is the ability to make accurate tongue and groove joints of varying sizes. The parallel fence is set up to the required measurement and cuts to this measurement. And with the use of the mitre and parallel fence, making grooves is simple. Chisel out the groove and we're finished. Perfect. When producing high quality edge joints, the N4400 is in a class of its own. Tongue and groove joints, even finger jointing, can be achieved with perfect results on the N4400. Take a look for yourself, you will be impressed. With this device, it is extremely simple and quick to make absolutely precise finger joint cuts. First of all, draw the finger joints onto the workpiece and move along the guide, cutting each time along the line. For making cuts tilting to the left, use the angled jig. Chisel out the appropriate pieces, and then hold against the counterpiece and trace the cut. The dovetails can be cut with the use of the angled jig against the parallel fence. chisel out the appropriate pieces, and the finished piece is there. A perfect result. As you can see, this bandsaw can do a lot more than make just curved pieces. From the first rough cut through to a perfect joint, everything is possible. Upper and lower bandsaw guides, a tiltable table, solid cast iron bandsaw wheels, and much more are standard, needn't be expensive. If the N4400 has caught your interest, then contact us or make a visit to one of our showrooms. Our qualified sales and service team are always available for information, advice and support. We look forward to your call.